In this video, we will see how to mine Bitcoin using GPU or CPU. We will start off by downloading the software from NiceHash website. It will redirect us to GitHub website where we can get the setup. Once we have installed it, we can run it. Here, we can manage devices, run benchmarks, or install different plugins. We can either disable or enable CPU or GPU. On the dashboard, we can see the current profitability along with the unpaid balance. We can simply run the miner by clicking the Start Mining button. It shows according to current pool and the Bitcoin price. It is around 0.07 USD per hour. So multiplying it by 24 gives us $1.68 per day. So we can see that it's 50.4 USD per month. It can go higher or lower according to Bitcoin price. You can also manage direct using their website. There will be transactions when the balance has reached a certain amount to either sell it or trade the bitcoins. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.